Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your kids online with Bark, beginner guide step by step clearly. Protecting your kids online is crucial in today's digital world. Bark is a comprehensive tool designed to help parents monitor their children's online activity. To get started, begin by visiting the Bark website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information, including your email address and a password. Once you've entered your details, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, log into your Bark account. Now, it's time to connect your child's devices. Bark works with a variety of platforms including smartphones, tablets, and computers. Select the option to add a device. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the Bark app onto your child's device. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions during installation. Once the app is installed, log in with your Bark account credentials. This process will help sync the device with your Bark account. Next, set up the monitoring features you wish to use. Bark offers options for monitoring social media, texts, and emails. Customize the alerts based on your child's age and your preferences. You can also set custom rules for specific content categories. After configuring the settings, review the Bark dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of your child's online interactions. Check in regularly to see alerts and messages from the app. The Bark platform offers resources and advice for addressing potential issues. Encourage open conversations with your child about online safety. Remind them that you are there to support and guide them. By taking these steps, you can effectively protect your kids online with Bark. Stay proactive and involved in their digital lives. With Bark, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're monitoring their online safety. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.